Welcome students. In this video, let us look at the topic of oblique axis. If x and y axis are inclined at some angle other than 90 degrees to each other, they are called oblique axis. For example, they are inclined at an angle of theta with each other, where theta is not equal to 90 degrees. Now, how do we measure the x coordinate and y coordinate of different points in different quadrants using oblique axis? We use the same definition for x coordinate and y coordinate. For example, if you have a point P, so the x coordinate of this point P is the distance from y axis measured in the direction of x axis. That is, you have to measure the distance of P from y axis in a direction which is parallel to x axis. That is, you have to go in the direction of x. Whatever is the distance is the x coordinate. Similarly, if you want the y coordinate, you should not go perpendicular to x axis. Y coordinate is the distance of this point P from x axis in a direction which is parallel to y axis. So you have to go in the direction which is along the y axis. So this distance is nothing but y. So in the rectangular coordinate system, that is, if the angle between x-axis and y-axis is 90 degrees, this figure will be a rectangle. But in the oblique coordinate system, the figure that is formed with the coordinate axis and with the distances of xy from different axes will be a parallelogram. So that's the only difference between a rectangular axis. That is, when the angle is 90 degrees between x and y axis, we can call them rectangular coordinate axis. So in the rectangular, that's the only difference between the oblique axis and the rectangular axis. If you understand that distances will be measured in the direction parallel to x-axis and y-axis, you can analyze the questions very easily in this coordinate system also. Thank you.